The Pass Visitor Sign-In app, available on Android and iOS, adds numerous benefits for users of the Teamgo Visitor Management System, including enhancing safety and emergency protocols. This video will walk you through a quick overview of the app. Do note that depending on group permissions set by the admin, some options may not be available to all users. From the app's home screen, users can remotely sign in and their GPS data will be captured. This feature was designed so remote workers, field agents, and staff working from home can easily sign in and keep their location and hours tracked. If they are within 100 meters of one of your locations, they can sign into QR code sign-in points from the app. This gives them a quick, convenient, and secure way of signing in, minimizing the need to physically line up at one of your sign-in points. Once they are done for the day, they can also sign out using the Pass app. Users with the proper permissions can view everyone who is on site and sign them out if needed. With the correct permissions, users can activate emergency, which will send notifications out, including an evacuation map. They can see everyone on site and sign them out once they are accounted for. Users who have been given access by the admin can view detailed sign-in records. Data is very literally at their fingertips. Users can view, modify, and add pre-registration events. Giving users the ability to pre-register visitors is important for the physical and medical safety of your organization. Allowing them to add or modify pre-registration events on the go can be a lifesaver when there are last-minute events. Hosts can receive and view push notifications. Finally, users can update their profile from the app. Please visit www.teamgo.co for more information and to sign up for a free trial.